In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate WhatsApp documents on phone. Whether you need to find a PDF someone sent last week or gather all your Word files from different chats, I'll show you two reliable ways to get to them quickly and safely. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. In the Chats tab, look to the top for the magnifying glass icon and tap it to open search. Right under the search bar, you'll see categories that help you filter results. Tap Documents. This instantly gathers every document that's been shared across all your chats, so you don't have to open each conversation one by one. Scroll through the list to find what you need. You can type a keyword, a file name, or even a file extension like PDF to narrow it down further. When you open a document here, you can see which chat it came from, forward it, or share it. If you don't see a file you expect, make sure the document was actually downloaded in the chat. Sometimes you may need to tap the file in the conversation first to complete the download. This in-app method works on both Android and iPhone and is the fastest way to locate something you recently received. If you prefer to access the actual files stored on your device, use your phone's default files or file manager app. From there, go to internal storage, then open the Android folder, then media, and then com.whatsapp. Inside, open the WhatsApp folder, then media. Finally, open the WhatsApp Documents folder. Here you'll find all the documents you've received and downloaded through WhatsApp, including PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and more. You can copy, move, rename, or share these files just like any other document on your device. A few helpful notes before you manage files here. Folder names can look slightly different depending on your device, but the order should be the same. On newer versions of Android, you might need to use the System's Files app to access the Android and media folders due to permissions. If the folder appears empty, open WhatsApp once and return, or check that you're browsing internal storage rather than an SD card. Try the Files app's search with a keyword or extension like .pdf or .docx if you know the type of file you're after, and avoid moving or renaming the com.whatsapp folders themselves. If you need a copy, duplicate the document to another folder instead. That's it. Now you can quickly find WhatsApp documents, either from inside the app or directly in your phone's storage.